Load your family into the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and much more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.